Losing belly fat is a common goal for many people looking to improve their health and appearance. While exercise and a balanced diet are crucial for weight loss, certain beverages consumed before bedtime can help accelerate the process of burning belly fat. These drinks work by boosting metabolism, improving digestion, and enhancing sleep quality, all of which are essential for effective weight loss. Here are some of the best beverages to drink before bed to help burn belly fat. 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple and refreshing drink that can aid in weight loss. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost metabolism and improve digestion. Drinking lemon water before bed can help your body detoxify and burn fat while you sleep. Drinking lemon water before bedtime can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. To prepare, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and consume this mixture about 30 minutes before you go to sleep. This practice aids digestion, helps detoxify the liver, and boosts the immune system. The pectin fiber in lemons also helps curb hunger cravings, promoting a sense of fullness, which can be particularly helpful in managing late-night snacking. Incorporating lemon water into your nightly routine can provide these health benefits, contributing to better wellness and weight management. 2. Cucumber and parsley juice. Cucumber and parsley juice is a hydrating and detoxifying beverage that can help reduce belly fat. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, while parsley is a natural diuretic that helps eliminate excess water weight. To prepare a detoxifying and hydrating juice, blend 1 cucumber, a handful of parsley, and a glass of water until smooth. For added flavor, you can mix in a teaspoon of lemon juice. Drink this refreshing juice before bed to help flush out toxins, reduce water retention, and improve digestion. This combination not only keeps you hydrated, but also supports a flat tummy by promoting healthy digestion and reducing bloating. Incorporating this juice into your nightly routine can be an effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger is known for its thermogenic properties, which means it can help increase body temperature and boost metabolism. Drinking ginger tea before bed can help your body burn more calories and fat overnight. To prepare a soothing cup of ginger tea, begin by boiling a cup of water and adding a few slices of fresh ginger. Allow the ginger to steep in the hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain the tea to remove the ginger pieces. For added sweetness, you can mix in a teaspoon of honey. This warm beverage offers numerous health benefits, including aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, ginger tea has a calming effect that can enhance sleep quality, which is crucial for effective weight loss and overall well-being. 4. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a popular weight loss remedy that can help reduce belly fat. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to boost metabolism, reduce fat storage, and suppress appetite. To prepare an apple cider vinegar drink before bed, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, ACV, into a glass of warm water. Consume this mixture about 30 minutes before bedtime. This drink can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and create a feeling of fullness, which may aid in reducing late-night cravings. Additionally, ACV supports liver detoxification, which plays a crucial role in overall fat metabolism, making it a beneficial addition to a nighttime routine for those looking to manage their weight and health. 5. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a spice known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve metabolism. Drinking cinnamon tea before bed can help your body burn fat more efficiently. To prepare cinnamon tea, boil a cup of water and add either a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick. Allow the mixture to steep for about 10 minutes before straining it. For added sweetness, you can stir in a teaspoon of honey. This warm and flavorful tea offers numerous health benefits, including stabilizing blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and improving digestion. Cinnamon also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can assist in weight loss, making this tea a valuable addition to your diet, especially when consumed before bedtime. 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is another effective drink for burning belly fat. Aloe vera has laxative properties that can help cleanse the digestive system and improve metabolism. To prepare an aloe vera juice drink before bed, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into a glass of water. Drink this mixture shortly before bedtime to maximize its benefits. Aloe vera juice is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to cleanse the body and improve digestion. Additionally, it can boost metabolism and has anti-inflammatory effects, which may assist in reducing belly fat. Incorporating this drink into your nightly routine can support overall health and weight management efforts. 7. Protein shake. A protein shake before bed can help with weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting muscle repair. Muscles burn more calories than fat, so maintaining and building muscle mass is essential for weight loss. To prepare a nutritious protein shake, simply mix a scoop of protein powder with a glass of water or milk. For added nutritional benefits, you can blend in a handful of spinach or a tablespoon of chia seeds. Protein shakes offer several advantages. They help keep you full, reduce cravings, and boost metabolism. Additionally, they support muscle repair and growth, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. 8. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is well known for its calming effects, which can improve sleep quality. Good sleep is crucial for weight loss, as poor sleep can disrupt metabolism and increase hunger hormones. To prepare chamomile tea, begin by boiling a cup of water and then add a chamomile tea bag or a small amount of dried chamomile flowers. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Chamomile tea offers several benefits. It helps reduce stress, improve digestion, and promote better sleep. A well-rested body is more efficient at burning fat and managing weight, making chamomile tea a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle. To maximize the benefits of chamomile tea and protein shakes, consistency is key. Make them a regular part of your nightly routine for optimal results. Complement these beverages with a healthy diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Regular physical activity is also important, as it boosts your metabolism and helps burn more calories. Staying hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water will further support your health goals. Additionally, try to avoid heavy meals or snacks close to bedtime to ensure your body can effectively rest and recover. Incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine can help you burn belly fat and achieve your weight loss goals naturally. Each beverage offers unique benefits that contribute to improved metabolism, digestion, and overall health. Remember that consistency, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep are crucial for effective weight loss. By making these drinks a part of your bedtime ritual, you can support your body's natural fat-burning processes and enjoy a healthier, slimmer you.